Hi guys, today we're drawing the solar eclipse. So first of all, let's use the pencil to kind of sketch out our landscape. First of all, I want you to draw a circle over here. This is the sun and the moon. So just a circle over here in the middle of the drawing. Okay? And then we're gonna make it quite simple. I just have the shape of a tree over here. Like this. Don't need to be really exact. Then I'm gonna draw a shorter tree over here. These will be kind of like the mountainish stuff. Actually, I'll draw one more tree over here to even things out. Like this, okay? Yeah, that's simple. This will be our main diagram actually. Then we're gonna use eraser to kind of erase the thing. So we cannot see the pencil mark clearly, okay? Alright, I want you to get your marker. First we're gonna get a dark blue, okay? And a blue that is also pretty dark but a tiny bit lighter. And maybe if you want, even the purple will work. Okay? So first of all, I'm gonna use the lighter version of the darker blue to draw the circle on the line that we just drew. Okay? So I'm gonna slowly trace out the circle first. Okay, now we have the circle. And then we're gonna draw lines like this. So as you can see, like this, okay? Just a little line over here. We're gonna use this line to cover the entire circle. So make sure to leave some blank spot. Then we're gonna get our darker blue to kind of fill in the other spots for now. Just by drawing these lines, you can kind of see how I start to fill out the white spots on the drawing. Okay, now we have the moon with two colors. Then I'm gonna use my purple to kind of add some colors. You can just skip this if you want. But I'm gonna make you see like sometimes when you draw marker, there's these blank spots over here. So I'm gonna use my purple to fill all those blank spots so there can be more colors. Okay? So after you do this step, make sure that your paint is dry right now. You can completely erase the outside part of the circle. Okay. And right now I want you to get a pretty bright yellow. I'm gonna use this light yellow over here. And then we're also gonna grab the big side. I'm gonna draw lines like this. So starting from the inside, let me then go out. If you rotate your paper this way, so it's a lot easier. You can see we're drawing the outside of the sun, but the part that didn't get blocked by the moon. Oops. Something like this. Okay, we're gonna use this one over here. Okay. So I want you to follow the pattern. You see, like when I draw the scene, we have those spikes around the scene, right? We're gonna continue those spikes. So something like this. Okay, there we go. I'm gonna use one more color. Just an even darker color to draw another ring. Okay, so it should be something like this. Okay, after the red, we're gonna start to add the ring of some bluish color for the night sky, okay? First of all, I want you to get like a lighter blue, but not a sky blue. Okay, let's continue. So for this one, you don't need to draw the ring anymore. You just gotta fill in the gap. Also, when you go to the outside, you can just draw lines like these, like the one that we drew over here. Okay. But first of all, I recommend you to just fill in the gap for now. Over here to create a spike. I'm gonna use a smaller side for this first. Okay. Now, as I said before, we can start drawing these lines outside. Then we're gonna grab the color that we used in the middle before. So over here, this one. Then we're gonna try to fill in some gaps. You can if you want in all the gaps, it's definitely okay because we still have other colors to add in later. This blue is basically the base color right now, okay? Okay, time to switch color. We're gonna use a darker blue. Okay, we're just gonna try to fill in some gaps right now. Like over here. When you see a white spot, you can just add a line over there. Let's see. If you accidentally draw it inside the ring, just use the dark blue that we used before to replace the scene. Okay, and now I'm gonna grab an even darker purple, and then you see that these corners, right? I'm gonna make them darker than this part. Okay. So what I mean is I just try to cover the lighter blue up in the corner. Alright, and after that, we're gonna grab a darkish green. This one over here, this is the darkest one I could find in my pack. So we're gonna use the big size. You just fill in this tree over here. Just fill in the entire tree for now. Okay. To our first tree, and then for now we're just coloring the entire thing. Okay. Then let's grab a darker blonde. Read this. Actually, I'm gonna use this in for now. I'm gonna draw it down. Okay, now we can grab the brown that we're gonna grab before. In the darker spots. Something like this, okay. And then we're gonna grab to join the layers for the tree. Okay, now we're gonna grab this green again to fill in. Okay, last we have the mountain. Right over here. For the mountain, we're firstly gonna use the same blue, dark one, to kind of cover the scene over here. But for me, I'm gonna leave a little blank line over here so I can see where's the point that they distinguish with the sky. Yep. Lastly, I'm gonna grab a black. To fill in this white line over here. I don't want to use that much of black because I feel like it's way too dark. Let's just try to make the black fade away over here. Something like this. Okay, and let's adjust the thing a little bit. Right now I feel like the trunk is a bit too bright, so I'm gonna color off some colors. I'm gonna use blue to fill in the gap for the trunk, because you don't want the trunk to stand out too much. Okay, and there you have it, our solar eclipse. Thank you for watching.